In this video, I'll show you how to send files on Telegram. It's going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if for any reasons you want to send a file, head over to your Telegram, right? A file can be a video, a document, a PDF, a picture, or anything, right? For you to be able to send a file here on Telegram, you're going to be using this, right? Click on it. Once I've clicked on it, it will be displayed with three options right here. You can send a photo, a video, a document, or you can do this as well. So let's say I want to send a photo. I can click on it because yeah, it's still a file, right? So once it has opened up, I'm going over to my pictures. I'll select this image. I'm going to send to him, right? I'll click on the send. So this image is going to send to him, right? So this is how you can send files here on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm going to show you all in the very next one.